So everybody knows what a debacle this whole criminal justice reform and bail reform thing has been in New York. And now we are learning that a man who was set to testify against MS-13 has been killed. It turns out that the defense received a list of all of the witnesses that was forced to be released by the New York DA. And as soon as that witness list was released, intimidation started. And now the main guy who was set to testify against MS-13 is dead.
Well, certainly the reforms that are happening give suspects the opportunity to now intimidate witnesses prior to a trial. Now think about what that does for law enforcement when it comes to looking for informants when it comes to crimes, or looking for witnesses to crimes to come forward to provide information that can ultimately lead to the arrest of the suspect. What is the apprehension behind those witnesses or those informants to provide information to law enforcement, knowing that there's a possibility that their name can be released?
I think what a lot of people don't realize, we immediately see the downplay in the mainstream media often of this isn't that big of a deal. If there's a witness in a car accident, that person's name should be released. The identifications of all of the officers involved in any case should be released. Sounds great on the surface, but when you get into cases like this with extraordinarily violent organizations like MS-13, we see a lot of lives in jeopardy. Case in point, this guy was just killed. I mean, he was harassed for days leading up to it. They could do nothing to protect him because the New York criminal justice law that has been passed protected the criminals and not him, and now he's dead. What it's leading to is more dangerous streets. We see crime is up substantially in New York, especially in New York City right now. I don't know about you guys, but I'm not good with that, especially those of us who have kids and families and loved ones, or just don't want to be assaulted.